Impossible is a strong word, but when it comes to interstellar travel, the universe throws up three fundamental barriers that make star hopping an almost insurmountable challenge. First, distance. Our nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, is 4 light years away. Even traveling at the speed of our fastest spacecraft, like the Voyager probes or the Parker Solar Probe, it would take us over 50,000 years to get there. To make that trip manageable in a human lifetime, say 50 years, we need to reach a significant fraction of the speed of light. However, accelerating a ship to that fast requires energy on a scale that is simply staggering, far beyond humanity's entire current energy production. It's the ultimate scale problem. The stars are just too incredibly far away. This leads us to the second problem: energy. The amount of energy needed to accelerate a ship to, say, 1/10 the speed of light, which is about 67 million miles an hour, is astronomical. If you calculate the kinetic energy, even accelerating just a small payload to that speed requires an amount of energy equivalent to a substantial fraction of the entire world's annual energy consumption. And that's just to get up to speed. You need an equally massive amount of energy to slow down when you get to your destination. We have no known practical engine or fuel source that can achieve this. Finally, even if you solve the energy problem, you run into the issue of collision. Interstellar space isn't perfectly empty. It's filled with clouds of hydrogen, specks of dust, and cosmic rays. At 1/10 of the speed of light, even a particle of dust the size of a grain of sand carries the kinetic energy of a nuclear warhead. Hitting it would be catastrophic, tearing right through the ship. To protect the crew and equipment, you need massive, heavy shielding, which only increases the required mass, which in turn increases the energy required, trapping us in a vicious cycle of impossible physics. These challenges, distance, energy, and physical risk, combine to suggest that short of discovering entirely new physics, true interstellar travel will most likely remain science fiction. If you want more shorts about space, rockets, and tech, subscribe.